today we're going to be talking about how do you go about in buying your first investment property. Now, oftentimes homeowners work with realtors to buy or sell a property, and that's it. That's wherever their relationship ends. Not with us. Here at the Hayer Group, that's whenever our journey begins, whenever you're at the closing table on your first property. Because now we get to think about how we can help you grow your investment portfolio and retire with ease. So here are the common 3 questions that anyone has whenever they're looking at purchasing their first investment property.
All right, so Bree, how do you know what price point is best to invest in? Because after all, you don't want to look at properties just for fun and they're out of your price range.
It starts with how many resources or savings you're currently sitting on. So for example, your 401k, your current property, your savings, anything like that can act as your down payment for your first investment property.
So Bree, how many properties should I be submitting an offer on before I give up on buying an investment property in this hot market?
So the good news is we have taken the struggle out of the process by doing an upfront search for you so that you're not competing hand in hand with first-time home buyers. The good news is you're only strategically placing offers on properties that are going to be a good fit for you as an investor.
So what questions should I be asking before making a commitment once I have identified the investment property?
You're going to have a ton of questions, and that's okay. Here are a few that you might want to consider. First thing you want to think about is, am I going to have profitable and equitable rent after all expenses are paid? Then we want to find out if there are any repairs to be done, what kind of repairs are those, and how much am I going to spend on them? And another question that you want to really consider before identifying a property and putting an offer in on is, how many days on market on average is it taking to rent out? And the good news is, for all other questions, we're going to be here to help you and help answer on your behalf. Hey, you! Yeah, you, right there. If you like what we had to say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, hit that little bell!